In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to hide replies on Twitter from your desktop PC. It's a useful feature that can help you manage your conversations and interactions on the platform. Let's get started. First, navigate to one of the replies to your post on Twitter. Look for the More icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots. Click or tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Next, from the list of options that appears, select Hide Reply. Twitter will ask you to confirm your decision before proceeding. Click on the Confirm button to hide the selected reply from your post. Remember that hiding a reply doesn't delete it entirely. It simply removes it from the visible thread on your post. The original author of the reply and others who have interacted with it will still be able to see it. By using the Hide Reply feature on Twitter, you can effectively moderate your conversations and create a more positive and engaging environment for yourself and your followers. Give it a try the next time you encounter a reply that you'd rather not have displayed publicly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Twitter experience. See you in the next video.